Hi, it's Dan Krause, your friendly neighborhood estate planning attorney, and I'm here to give you a holiday gift giving idea. The gift giving idea is essentially to have conversations or just to take notice of your family and their situations when you are visiting this holiday season. Before I get into the details, though, I just want to invite you to subscribe to our newsletter if you are interested in estate planning or elder law um, topics. We have a newsletter that goes out every month, and some people find it very useful. You can subscribe to the newsletter just by emailing newsletter@friendly.law. So, what's the holiday gift that you can give to your family besides your wonderful presence with them, hopefully at the dinner table or in the foyer or the living room, dining room? You can take notice, especially for elder members of your family, how they're doing. And perhaps have a conversation about what would happen if something happens to them. As we age, we all think about these things. What would happen if they passed away or if they become incapacitated and need some sort of help, like nursing home help or assisted living help. And sometimes these things go unsaid because they're a little bit uncomfortable. But to take the extra effort and to just buckle down and say something could be a really great gift to the members of your family who would love to talk about this stuff, but they don't want to bother anyone, or they are just a little bit uncomfortable bringing up the topic. Things that are so important that people just pass by and they think, oh, I can do that later, or maybe it will never be necessary, are things that in the end can really make a big difference. One very big example is powers of attorney. For people who come to me sometimes and they say, my parent is struggling, we need to arrange for them to have some care brought in, or we need to help them with their finances, we need to be able to pay their bills and access their bank accounts. But unfortunately, they had a stroke or they have Alzheimer's, and now they don't really know what's happening. That can be a real tragedy because now the person may not have the ability to sign new documents, to sign a new power of attorney, giving someone the ability to help them. This could cause the need for a guardianship. Now, guardianship is a court case where you have to go in and prove that the person has lost their competence and is not anymore available to themselves or to others to make decisions. And then those decisions, the capability to make those decisions, the legal ability to make those decisions is taken away by the court. And then the court bestows that ability onto someone else, usually a family member, but sometimes a non-related person, to make legal decisions, financial decisions, medical decisions for that person. So, do your family a favor. Have some difficult conversations. I think you'll find it rewarding. And if you have any questions about this or other topics of elder law or estate planning, please give us a call. Our number is 608-268-5751. Thanks for listening. And happy holidays.